All right, I'm sure you guys have seen this new viral thing. So many people are making videos and content about Notebook LM. I've actually known about this for months. And I think it's kind of funny when you see a trend and you see hundreds of people making videos about it and so forth. And I'm actually going to do something a little different in this video. I actually haven't watched, there's been hundreds of videos that I've seen. I've watched a couple of them months ago, but I'm going to do my own take on what I would do with this new Notebook LM tool, specifically the new kind of podcast audio recorder that they have. I'm going to show you how to use the tool. We'll come over here and hopefully you'll get kind of open your mind up to what you could do with the tool from a video creation standpoint. There's a lot of different things you could do with Notebook LM. Essentially, this is one of those tools. Claude also does this. ChatGPT does this as well. You basically upload your documents to it, and then you ask the chatbot certain questions, and then it can go and gather information based on you creating your own database and library of knowledge, and then you basically get to have a conversation with it. So this is isn't any different than ChatGPT and all your other large language models out there where you can basically have a chat with it. But we're going to go and I'm going to show you the coolest feature that I've seen and that other people are talking about, but I'm going to try to do my own take on it. This is not inspired by any other people's videos. This is just me trying to be creative and show you how I would go about maybe using a tool like this. So let's jump in. I like to go over here and just see how popular this is right now. SimilarWeb says this is at 3.1 million. I mean, just overnight, Notebook LM has millions of people going to their website, which is super, super cool. And a large part of that is because of all the influencers and YouTubers creating videos on it and people telling the world about it, right? Basically. And so people are going over there and signing up. And what's really cool is you can actually use it for free. You just go to Notebook LM and then you go and sign up. See, I'm already logged in. Look at this. I used this March 30th, 2024. So what I just told you is true. I've already known about this for 6 months. What is that? March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. So for 7 months, I've already known about this tool and I haven't made any videos about it or anything like that. And so I just wanted to kind of show you what you could do with this tool. Now I'm going to show you, you could go to a website, for example, and we could go over here to NFL News Test. I did an NFL News Test back in September, and we can go over here and click on this. And I think it's Notebook Guide. We'll click on that. And then this is the part. So click to load the conversation. So this is the big thing that everyone's making a big fuss about. You can go and load this conversation. Now it's going to go out and create a conversation that's in a podcast style where there's a male voice and a female voice, and they're analyzing the content and then coming up with their own kind of just creative content. So you could go and push play right here.
All right, we are back Thursday. Get ready for week 3.
The injury report this week.
What's a doozy?
It's a long one.
Yeah, it is.
And it has the potential to really shake things up.
Yeah, are you ready to dive in?
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's talk about some of these big names because we're not just...
So it's pretty cool, right? Like it sounds very natural, like it's a real podcast and they're having a real conversation. I don't know how they're pulling this off with AI. It is ridiculously impressive and cool. But what can we do with this? Like just looking at something that's cool, that's great and all, but we can't put it into action that actually means something where we can grow a YouTube channel or grow a website or help us get traffic to something. Essentially, people are going to want to use this in order to try to make money, right? And that's really what it all comes down to. That's what we're mostly all here for. How can we turn this into money in our pockets? So this is just an example I showed you. Like you could create like an NFL podcast where you go out and like this one, I grabbed this from a website that goes over the injury report for the week, right? So I'm going to go exit out of this one. There was a new news article there, some really cool stuff right there. There was even one over here I pulled from one of the YouTube channels, Starter Story. You could go and sample that one real quick just so you can kind of look at what that one looks like as well. So we'll load that up.
Ever dream of building software, like actually launching it, seeing the downloads? That's what we're diving into today, a story that's got advice you can use no matter your coding level.
Yeah, turning a simple idea and...
So it's pretty cool. One thing that I kind of wish that we had more control over is how long this audio will end up being. I mean, you could upload 3,000 words worth of content and you don't get to control if this is going to be a 4-minute video or an 11-minute video. I think 11 minutes is the longest one that I've seen so far. So I don't know how to push this to, if you wanted a 15 minutes, 20 minutes audio out of this, I don't really know how to do that. I don't know if it's based on the length of the script or anything like that, but that's something that we don't really have a whole lot of control over is the length right over here. We can change the playback speed. We can download. There's no real other options here, but let's get to work and see what we could do with this. Okay. So let's just say we're over here on Entrepreneur Magazine. This is motivation, success, all that kind of stuff, right? And I just literally pulled up the site. They get about 3 million visitors per month as well. And you can just see what's the most read right now, what's popular. So you have 1 month left to buy a house, according to Barbara Cochran. Here's why. So let's click on that one. It's about the housing market. And you can go and just kind of check this out. So not a whole lot going on, but let's just check this out. So I'm going to go ahead and just grab this whole thing right here. And really, there's a lot of other articles down here. I don't know if it's going to skip that or not, but what you can do, I believe, is just copy this URL, and then we can go back into NotebookLM. And then once we're here, we can just go in and we can just go to create new. So I'm going to create new right here. And then we can go over here and just paste a link in or a website, right? You could use a YouTube video or whatever, but we're going to use this specific URL. And I'm going to insert that. And so then now NotebookLM can go and analyze the website, pull in all the information, and you can see it summarize this. We have a full summary right here, and we can get a study guide, an FAQ. That was very fast, right? But right now, this is the big thing. We want to push the generate button, and it's going to go out there and generate this audio for us. I'm estimating it's only going to come up with about a 3-minute audio, but that's great. I don't really want it to be that long because I want to be able to go out there and create a video for you so we can go out there and check it out. So I'm going to give it a second and we'll be right back. Okay, so this is actually pretty cool and impressive. So we're talking about, let's go back to the article real quick. And let's see right over here. I'm going to go ahead and just highlight just the article itself, right? It's just literally right here. It literally stops, and that's related. So, it's literally right here. Okay. And then we'll go to word counter and we'll paste this in. And this is only 302 words of text, not even a 400 word article. And we were able to get a 9-minute audio. Okay. So I'm not going to push play right now because I want to have some fun with this, but this is the audio that it came up with. Right. And so what I want to do now is I want to go and download this. So I'm going to click the 3 dots. I'm going to push download. It's just going to download the file for us. Okay. So we've got the notebook audio right there. So this is very important, right? Because this is words and audio coming out of there. We need the transcript from this, but this isn't from a YouTube video because we just created this. So we need the transcript. There's probably some sites out there that you can upload an audio and it'll give you your transcript for free. But if you're a subscriber to Descript, you may as well use Descript. So I'm going to go ahead and use Descript because I'm a monthly paid member. So I'm going to go into audio project here, and then I'm going to add a file. We'll go to our downloads and we'll put that file in, right? So we're going to add that file, and now it's going to transcribe this for us. You can see it's going to transcribe that whole voiceover. That's basically a podcast voiceover that was built with AI. And then we can go out there and we can create some really cool stuff once we get this transcript, because I'm going to show you why it's important, why we need this transcript, because we're going to create a video next from this. And it's important to have the transcript so that an AI will be able to read the words from the transcript and actually match it to video assets and so forth that match, right? The actual audio. So we're doing this in steps, but this is going to be super, super cool. So I'll be right back when this is done transcribing the audio. Okay, so that was super, super fast. I'm going to push done. And now we have a beautiful transcript of our new podcast that's 9 minutes long. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to left click in here. I'm going to do a Control A and then a Control C. I'm going to copy that transcript. And that's all we needed Descript for, was to just transcribe that for us. Now we're going to go into, and you can use any tool you want, but we're going to go into this tool called Pictory. I will leave links to Descript and Pictory below if you want to go and check them out. Now, I've been a member of Pictory for years now, since they came out. It's a great tool to be able to go and get some really good videos created for us. Again, there's so many AI video creators out there on the market. And even if you're not subscribed to one or something like that, even if you had like an old school video editor like Camtasia or something like that, you could still bring the transcription and the audio into a tool like that. And then you could just go and create videos from scratch, but it's going to take you a lot longer. Okay. But let's go see what we can do with something very quickly. So I'm in Pictory. We are logged in already. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into text to video. Okay. And then I'm going to go and paste this in. And then I don't know what we're going to call this. Let's just call this, for now, we're going to just call it like this. Boom. We're going to call it this title right here. I'm going to go back and I'm going to make sure that this is titled, "You have 1 month left to buy a house," right? Okay. So now what are we going to do over here? scene settings, auto highlight keywords, auto visuals selections. We're going to use both images and video. And that's pretty much it. So now we are going to go to proceed. And right now you can see that it's creating our visuals and our video as we speak. We'll be back in just a sec. While we're waiting for the video to create, I thought I would take a second to tell you about my brand new Skool community. It is a free community to join. And if you're at all interested in how I've been using YouTube and doing it full time for the last 4 years, and I've made $450,000 doing it, then you could join this free community right here and learn all about it. If you are interested in building faceless YouTube channels, much like this one that you're seeing right here, much like I've created LearnWire a few years back. This is how I create and run YouTube channels. You don't have to be on camera or anything like that. I teach you all about it inside my brand new YouTube affiliate launchpad community. Right now, we just launched like a week ago, 2 weeks ago, and we're at 111 members right now. So there's a free course that you can join when you sign up as well. Under the classroom section, you get access to it. It's like a 3-hour premium course. You get it for free, all for just signing up. So the link will be below if you want to go check that out as well. Okay, perfect. So it's created the visuals for us. It's done with the basic part. But now what we need to do, important part right here, is we need to go to audio. And then what we're going to need to do is background music. I don't want any background music. I want to make sure that I turn the background music off. So I want to turn background music is off. Well, I want to go over to voiceovers right here. Actually, we'll have to go to my uploads and then upload that file that's the voiceover, right? So we're going to go back over to downloads and we're going to upload the WAV file that is our voiceover that we got from NotebookLM, okay? So remember where we're at right now so far, right? We used NotebookLM and we used an article that we found on a website. And then we created this 9-minute voiceover that's podcast-like. And then we came over to Pictory to create a video automatically for us, which is super, super cool. So then now what I'm going to do, this part's important. We have this right over here, and I want to apply this to the entire video. And now it's going to automatically sync our voiceover and it's going to match our words, because that's why it's so important to have the transcript, so that it can match the transcript to our audio, which are the exact same 100%, right? It's going to match both those together. It's going to create our video for us. Okay, so now let's take a preview of what we have so far. We'll just push the preview button and we'll take a listen and take a look.
All right, let's dive in. We're tackling the housing market today.
Sounds timely.
Definitely is. We've got some interesting advice coming from real estate mogul Barbara Corcoran.
Ah, the Shark Tank star.
Yep, that's her. Entrepreneur.com featured her take on when to buy, and let me tell you, she's making some waves.
Really? How so?
Well, she's saying that buyers only have 1 month to snag a deal.
1 month. Wow, she's really putting a hard deadline on it.
She is. Before the market shifts, that's her warning. I mean, think about it. She's not just some random person giving generic advice.
Why, she built the Corcoran Group, sold it for what, $66 million?
$66 million. And then there's Shark Tank. She definitely knows this stuff.
Yeah, no doubt. She's got the experience.
But here's the thing that really caught my eye.
All right, so I think that you get the gist. This is super, super cool. Now, obviously, some of these scenes are not going to be not exactly what you want. So all you have to do in Pictory is just come over here and to go into visual. So you've got 90% of the work is done. But then if you come over to a scene that you kind of didn't like right over here, like this was a random, super weird thing. Maybe you just want to go with a Shark Tank star. At this point, I would actually go out and get a clip of Shark Tank, right? And what we could even do is go over to Shark Tank show, go to images right here, and then just go and grab something, right? So we'll go even just like this one right here. Boom, copy, save image as, and we'll label it as Shark Tank. And imagine if you're building this for a YouTube channel that you're going to be creating videos in that are very similar, then you probably would use those images a lot, right? So then all you have to do is right over here is just go to my uploads, upload your image. And you can see I use this to create VSL, video sales letters and stuff as well. We'll go and add that image in right over here. We'll save. And then now we'll just select that. And so then now that becomes, when we move to the next scene and it says Shark Tank, then you'll have a relevant image right here. So if you just spend a little bit of time, then it's kind of cool. Then it shows a shark there, right? And so when you come across, and you definitely, if you want this to be a better video, you're going to want to go through. And what I like is you can go in to the story mode and actually just start looking at the different scenes here by clicking right here and seeing if it matches. And if it's something that you don't like, then you would just go and switch it, right? So like this one and this one, maybe you just want to combine these two. And so then you just have it like that, right? So you can combine the scenes and so forth, right? And so you could go in here and just look at every scene and switch it out with more relevant images, more relevant videos. And you can put together a really nice video where you didn't have to create the voiceover, you didn't have to create the transcript, you didn't have to create the concept or idea. All you're doing is just plugging and playing with this video creation method right over here. And you've got this really cool video that you could actually go out there and create. You could create full-blown YouTube channels using this method. What do you guys think? And what's happening is that the audio that's being created is just an analysis of a web page. You're not copying anybody's content. You're creating new content, and all you're doing is using an AI analysis and a fake podcast, right? It would be nice if we could kind of control a little bit of how we kind of want, what we want them to talk about in the podcast and stuff like that. But you're not stealing content, which is super, super cool. What do you guys think below? I haven't seen anybody else teach this method on what you could actually go out there and do with NotebookLM. I think it's super, super creative. Let me know what you guys think below in the comments. Make sure to go and sign up for my free Skool community if you want to learn all about how to create simple YouTube channels that make you money. All right, we'll see you in the next video.